It's here. I've been waiting for this for a while. Not my ideal situation. One in the garage, but thanks to that creek back there, they won't let me build one. This is the next best option. No permits. They can't say a thing to me. So I got my workshop. We're gonna make some cool boat stuff, some cool fishing stuff, and I'm gonna take you guys along for a ride. I have been anticipating this for a long time and finally played out to where I could make it happen. Luckily, Halloween is a good time of year for me. I saw a lot of Halloween stuff, and it has pretty much afforded me this opportunity to do this. Plus picking up a new job didn't hurt either. So, I'm gonna be doing a lot of work in here. I'm gonna be doing a lot of wiring in here. I'm building a new little house for my compressor right outside of here. Put some workbenches in, a mini paint booth, some band saws, table saws, some different saws, and we're gonna make some cool stuff for the boat. We're gonna make some cool stuff for Halloween. It's not near Halloween yet, but it's never too early to start prepping. Anyways, hope you guys are out there staying safe, buying up all the TP. And don't buy all the TP, man, come on. I don't know about you guys, but I have packed on a few pounds in the last couple of years, and I have got a whole closet full of t-shirts that do not fit me anymore. So worst comes to worst, shredding t-shirts, boys. But I hope you guys are doing good wherever you're at. That's all I got right now. I'm gonna start cracking into this thing hopefully tomorrow and start pulling some wire, get my lights up. That way I can maybe make a video in here without being dark. And then we'll start knocking out some workbenches, or workbench, all the way across that back wall. I'll put some shelves over here for my completed Halloween items and or props and accessories that I sell online. I will leave a link to my other channel and my website if you want to check that out, just for kicks. I'm be able to make my Halloween props, and I'm be able to make all kinds of fishing stuff. That's it's two of my favorite things. So that about does it. I will start cracking another video probably tomorrow. I'll start wiring this, so I'll record the whole thing. If you want to watch it, awesome. Otherwise, it'll be there for me to enjoy later on after I get this finished. I love building stuff, and this is going to be a ton of fun. It may be a nightmare too, I don't know. Cross that bridge when we get to it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, checking out the videos. Appreciate that. And see you guys in the next one. We'll see you later, mother fishers.